Hello children, welcome to Learn with Gauri. In last class we studied about the top, bottom in the spatial understanding. So in this video we will learn about on under concept. Okay. If possible we will move on to the inside outside concept also. Yeah, okay. Are you all ready? Okay children. So what you can see here, this is TV. Okay, this is table. So television is on the table, which we can see. Two objects, okay. Next, mat is on the floor. Mat is on the floor. Next picture says one photograph is there, that too on the wall, isn't it? So photograph is on the wall. Can you give me some other examples in your daily life? Yeah. So we keep the pen on the table. We keep the bottle on the table or bottle on the table. Clothes are on the chair. These all are example for on. Okay, next we have under. Here we have dog, cat. Sorry, not cat. Dog and table. So dog is under the table. So both we can see which the object above the table we call it as a on the table, which is below the table we call it as under the table. So dog is under the table. Okay, next we have cat is under the cage. So this is cage and parrot is inside it. So cat is under the cage. Okay, and here in the third picture we have bridge and river is flowing. So river is flowing under the bridge. So bridge is there. Under that one the river is flowing. Okay. So we just understand or we just remember the points is that the object, any two objects we can see. Okay, we can see here TV table, here mat floor, and here photograph and the wall. Both we can see, no? Which the two objects we can see, we call that as a, we just take on in the sentence. Okay, here also, here we can see both table and dog, here cage and cat, and bridge and river, isn't it? So the word under will be there. Why inside outside will not come here? Because if any object, it will be, if we close that object with any other, we say that as a inside. If it is open, we call it as the outside, isn't it? So for that only we will call that as a inside outside. If you can say top bottom also here. The cat is bottom of the, sorry, the dog is bottom of the table, so we can't say like that. The dog is under the table only. Okay, so here the exercise for you. Tick the vase on the table. Here three vases are there, one on the table and one under the table, one beside of the table, isn't it? So what they said, vase on the table, on, they said on. Okay, so that's why we want to mark it as a on the table. This is the correct answer. Next comes, here three friends are there in the ground, okay, and two boys and one girl. Take the boy sitting on the bench. They are here. Two boys are sitting, one girl is standing, isn't it? What they said, boy sitting on the bench, not sitting on the floor. The boy sitting on the bench, we have to take it. This boy is sitting on the bench. Which boy? This boy. So this is the answer. Next we have Deepa's there, floor is there, steps is there, sorry. Now what we have to do? Color the lamp under the staircase. So many lamps are there, isn't it? So what they said, color the lamps under the staircase. This is the staircase, okay. Under means below. So these three are the lamps which are under the staircase, okay. These three are the lamps under the staircase. These three we can't because this is above the staircase, okay. Next we have two cats are there, one is sitting on the cot and one is under the cot, okay. What they said, tick on the cat under the cot, not on the cot. So this cat is the under the cot. This is sitting on the under the cot, okay. Understood, no? By these three examples, we study about the on and under concept in the special understanding, okay. So any other examples for under? The bags are under the cot. Next, the chalks are under the bench. So these all are examples for on and under, okay. Now homework for you, list out 10 sentences of on under, okay. Then I think all you understood about on and under concept. We'll move on to the next topic, inside outside. I already explained little bit in the concept of on and under. Here we have fruits and side we have leaves, okay. Fruits are inside the basket, isn't it? Fruits are inside the basket, means that basket is closed, okay. And leaves are outside the basket. So as I said, these leaves are aside, isn't it? Side means outside. So the fruits are inside the basket and leaves are outside the basket. This is what the inside outside concept is. Next example, so one home is there and mother is inside and father is outside. So mother is inside the house, so she is engaging the work inside the house. and father is outside the house, means he is doing some work outside of the house. Okay, next here we have chickens. Okay, chickens, where they are inside the basket. Where they are inside the basket. Why then not mentioned outside sentence here? Because there is no outside objects. Okay. Next, the exercise for you. Tick the dog inside the kennel. So this is, the dog is outside, and here another dog is there, that is inside the kennel, isn't it? So you can see tick the dog inside the kennel is this one, because the dog is inside the kennel. This dog is outside the kennel. Okay, understood now? Yeah. Next we have tick the flower pot inside the house. These flower pots, are there any other flower pots here? Yes, here it is there. So these two flower pots are outside the house. This flower pot is inside the house. Which one? This flower pot is inside the house. Okay. Next comes tick the fruits inside the basket. The basket is there again. These fruits, where it is? Outside the basket. What they said, fruits inside the basket, isn't it? So these fruits inside the basket is this. So we have to tick. Just I am showing that with the round marks, but you have to mention it with a tick mark. Okay, like this. Then comes another example here. Tick the children outside the cart. This is cart. All have you saw this cart? Yes. All have you enjoyed in the cart? Okay. So some children inside the cart and some are outside the cart. What they said, children outside the cart. So these children are outside the cart. You have to tick on this. Okay. Understood? Okay. So by this we understood the concept of inside and outside. Okay. So again you have to list out 10 sentences of inside and outside. Can I write on the page? Yeah, okay, I will write. So, homework, list 10 sentences of inside and outside, okay? I will give some examples for you. Inside means, as I said, the pen is inside the pouch. The pen is inside the geometry box. And pencil is outside the geometry box. And what we have again, the vegetables are outside the box. Fruits are inside the fridge. So these all are comes in the inside and outside. Okay. So just list out, by that only you came to know that how you can form the sentences also. Okay. I think all you understood about the inside and outside concept, and also on and under concept. Don't forget in the previous video top bottom concept also. Okay. So these all are important for you. Just learn with the interest. Okay. I think all have you understood. Okay, thank you. In the next video, we will learn about above, below concept and near for object, near for concept and also before after concept. Okay, thank you everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment if you are in doubt. Okay, thank you, children.